continue with what we're doing. So we're going again to find the area of each shape, add it together. So I'm going to start off, this is a rectangle since they're not the same. So I'm going to multiply 3.5 times 4, which is 14. Now I'm going to do our circle. So that's a half circle. So again, we put a half and then do our pi r squared. So pi is 3. So 4, since it's a radius or a diameter, we're going to cut it into a radius, and that's going to be 2. So we'll put it down 2 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. Then we're going to half 12, so divide that by 2, which is 6. And then we're going to add our two numbers together, 14 plus 6, which is 20 inches squared. All right, let's look at our next one. So we're going to find the area of our shape. So we have a rectangle, sorry, it's kind of big, a rectangle, and then a quarter circle. So we'll start off the rectangle, 6 and 2, which is 12. Then we'll do the circle. So this is a quarter. So remember, for a quarter, we put our 1/4. Then we'll do our pi r squared. So 2 represents a radius. So we're going to write that down 2 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. 1/4 of 12 means divide it by 4. 4 will go into 12 3 times. And then we're going to add our two totals, 12 plus 3, which is 15 inches squared. All right, now for our last one. So again, I start off with the easy shapes like a rectangle. So 6 times 10 is 60. Okay, then we're going to find each of our circles. So start the half circle. So again, for a half, we're going to plug in our fraction of pi r squared. Pi is 3. 10 is my diameter. So we're going to make it into a radius, which is 5. We're going to write that down 2 times. So 5 times 5 is 25. Times 3 is 75. So we're going to have to half 75 by dividing it by 2. So 2 will go into 7 3 times. 2 will go into 15 7 times. And then we'll add decimal and a 0, and it'll go in there 5 times. So we get 37.5. Now we're going to do our other circle. So that's a quarter. So we have our 1/4 pi r squared. That is a radius. So we have 1/4. Pi is 3. Radius, put it down 2 times. So 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 3 is 108. Then we're going to take 1/4 of 108 by dividing it by 4. So 4 will go into 10 2 times. Subtract, we get 2. Then bring down our 8. 4 will go into 28 7 times. So we get 27. So we have 3 areas. Add them all together. So we do the whole numbers first. 60 plus 27 is 87. Then we're going to add our 37.5 to the 87. Line up our decimal points with the add one for 87. So we get 0.54. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1 is 12. So 124.5 centimeters squared. Okay, so for your homework, you will have one problem that's just solving, again, finding all the areas, and then the rest of it should be a review.